Jump on board this week and follow me as I sail all the stars up to the Keppel Islands, where Rachel rejoins the boat for some exploring and adventuring, amongst other things.
Welcome back to All the Stars Sailing Adventures.
Join us, Rachel and Jess, on our Cavalier 37, All the Stars, as we live and learn about life on the water. Hit that subscribe button, guys. With all the stars back in the water, it was time for me to sail the boat up to Yeppoon to meet Rach. First stop, Lady Musgrave Island. So it's 7 in the morning. I've got 2 reefs in the main through the night just in case I've had squalls, but I'm thinking about shaking the reefs out. Got another 10 hours in front of us. Okay, so this is the last leg into Great Keppel Island. Tomorrow, mid-morning, head over to the marina, stow the boat, have a good old tub before Rach arrives. That was 18 hours straight sailing without a break. There's one catamaran behind me there and a couple of little power boats. The last time Rach and I were here, we would have had probably 50 boats in this anchorage. So I still haven't recovered sufficiently enough from yesterday's massive sail to want to bother putting the mainsail up today. It's only a short sail across to Keppel Bay, and that head sail's more than enough. We're already doing 4 knots. It certainly does make life easier having a electric winch, that's for sure. But the anchor well and where the chain ends up is something that has to be looked a bit further into, because I'm not 100% happy with how that works. But you know, that's part of owning a boat. You've just got to keep working on things, improving things. With Rach back on deck, it was time to get out of the marina and get out to the islands.
Using the new anchor winch was really cool.
Yeah.
It's great.
Easy?
Very easy.
Yeah.
Yep, I felt very in control. Because I was thinking that, because I didn't have, wasn't manually doing it, that I wouldn't feel like I had as much control over the speed of the drop and everything, but it actually felt really good.
There we are, anchored up in the corner here at Svendsens.
Yeah.
And how was the sail for you, Rach?
It was a lot more relaxing than I was expecting, my first sail after however long.
Yep.
I did get a bit, as the wind was getting up over 20 knots, I could feel myself getting a bit kind of anxious, but it feels so much better pointing into it. I much prefer pointing into stronger winds, because I feel like we can control the speed and everything, and easily reef without having to do the big turnaround.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think you did really well. Lucky I wasn't filming.
Spat all over my leg.
It's great. Well done, you.
Thank you.
Are we going? Where are we going?
Are we going snorkeling?
Are we going snorkeling?
Yes.
Yay! What a great day.
It's beautiful. The jet skiers, that's the only thing. Kind of
not beautiful. Well, let's throw our gear in the dinghy.
Yeah, so I can get my feet in those ones, but if the other ones are too big for you, then...
No, I'll wear them.
But if they're a hassle.
No, I'll wear them. We're going to take our camera with us.
Our underwater camera.
Yep. And I'm not spearfishing, we're just looking. Yeah. And we've got water. Cool.
Cool.
Anything else we've forgotten?
Sunscreen, water, sunglasses.
Hats.
Hats, payment device in case you want to go over and have cocktails and lunch after.
Oh. You are thinking ahead. Do we have a dry bag in that case?
No?
Maybe we should get a dry bag.
Good idea.
You love this island.
Yes, I love this island.
It's the first island we got to when we were sailing north. That was like really tropical feeling.
We were just like, we've made it.
And we got to explore
Yeah.
the history of the place.
And it feels like that now too though. It just feels so peaceful. Perfect weather again.
Yeah,
Maybe it's our lucky island.
and less people.
Much less people. Even though it's Easter long weekend.
Yeah, we were close.
Riley, Ryan, Robbie.
Lighthouse, 2.3 k's.
Yep.
And Wreck Beach down that way, 700 metres.
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse it is. What did you think about our snorkel yesterday?
Right.
We saw some wrasse, some long toms. I think that little shark was a cat shark of some sort. That was pretty cool. I think we should definitely thank your
Grandpa John,
Grandpa John
and Granny
and
Annie.
Granny Annie for gifting us this lovely wine, which we're going to have tonight in celebration of probably the last night on the boat
For a little while.
before we head back home for a little while.
Yes.
It is a 2017 New Oak Shiraz from Barossa Valley.
We're
So
very excited.
That's going to be beautiful. We'll open it and let it breathe.
Yeah.
We'll let it breathe for a little while and then we'll be able to enjoy that
I
with
think it
dinner.
actually has a cork.
It has a cork, literally. So this is a special wine. Thank you very much, guys.
Annie! Cheers.
Cheers! And if any of our viewers feels like donating us proper Wirral like wine glasses, you're welcome to, because we're obviously too poor for proper glasses.
That is so good.
Wow, that's full bodied. Wow.
It's a gift that just keeps on giving.
Yeah, it's got some real character.
Character.
What's happening today, Rachel?
We're going to a camp draft.
What's a camp draft?
It's not a rodeo. It's a horse sport where individual riders cut a cow out from a mob, hold it at a gate away from its mob, and then basically hunt it around a course. And I can't believe when it's too windy to go sailing, I found a camp draft to go to. Lagoons. I don't know why they didn't have like a big sign that said camp draft. I'm like, have we come to the wrong entrance?
There's a woman on a horse. More excited about the horses or those horsemen?
Oh, the horses.
I'm looking for the horsewomen.
Oh, look at that beautiful big heavy grey one. Isn't he lovely?
Beck Atkinson, Cats All Style, big strong chestnut mare.
We are out on course now, Tom Acton riding Super Sweet. The camp goes number 255, working on fire over the rain. No luck there for Tom. Tom Benson, competitor out on course now, you're watching 261. Ben Hall riding Bulls, following Joby, Creek competitor had an 87 for first street. 262 with Trent Kelly covering 4 Trent rides over here. 263, Select Bendigo, Cruise 1 to Cap. Followed Trent, 264 will be Terry Hall and Hazelwood Cop. 265 Jess Hoffman Diamonds, 266 William Tapp Hotspot, 267 Deadly Cheese Cosmic, 268 Claudia Spencer and Synergy Cherry, 269 Pink Comiskey and Duck
Even though this was my first rodeo, or as Rach kept correcting me on, my first camp draft, I've got to admit, it was actually pretty neat watching these guys and girls muster and control a cow around a tight course. This horse, ridden by a lady rider, was my favourite. That cow had no chance of getting past them. Get some footage of you looking stunning right next to a hot rod.
Love me an engine.
If you found this episode to be helpful, please give us a like and share with a friend, as it really helps to get us more traction.